Cast.
Strong solar eruption has moved off the surface of the sun and impacted Earth, so a strong geomagnetic storm is underway. So we certainly may be able to see the aurora borealis tonight. Now, again, these come in waves, so it may be visible right now. It may be visible later. If it's strong enough, it could be visible with the naked eye. Otherwise, hold your smartphone camera up into the sky, looking north to see if you can see it away from other light pollution and other light sources. But you may want to try now and through the rest of tonight, but it will be plenty cold later tonight. That's our first alert weather day for tonight into tomorrow because of frigid wind chills as another blast of Arctic air rolls in. Made up to high of 42, currently 38 at the airport. Westerly winds now, air mass very dry with dew points in the single digits. 37 the current number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 40 for the high today, and those winds are still stirring. So right now most of us are in the mid to upper 30s. A little bit of wind creates wind chill values freezing across much of the region. Those westerly winds now will continue to work east as this boundary pushes farther off to the south and east here tonight. So by morning, we're talking about widespread teens in terms of air temperature, but it'll feel like it's in the single digits. Now, the mountain's a different story, and that's where we have some cold weather alerts for sub-zero wind chills. But again, most of us will see in the morning single digit to low teen wind chills. There's a look at the cold weather alerts for the Blue Ridge, the Alleghenies, where there'll be a prolonged period of sub-zero wind chills into tomorrow morning. Our highs tomorrow look like basically overnight lows with upper 20s and low 30s. So when you factor in just a little bit of wind during the day, it's pretty much going to feel like it's in the teens and low 20s. And there's kind of a snapshot of some of the winds, easily 10, 15, 20 plus miles an hour at times. So first alert weather day here for Tuesday. Temperatures are still cold and chilly on Wednesday. Thursday will be the mildest day of the week ahead of the next Arctic boundary. That could set the stage for a potential winter storm this weekend. And we're highlighting that as first alert right now because indications are pinging in that this is the time frame to watch, and temperatures will be plenty cold. Now, it's way too early to look at timing and track and totals, but the idea is you've got southern moisture colliding with Arctic air, and the storm itself will continue to slide east, then likely reorganize off the coast, and there you go. It will be plenty cold even following in the footsteps of that potential storm this weekend, so something to watch. So our Arctic boundary continues to slide south and east tonight, upstream plenty of cold air, and we're going to continue to have these intrusions of reinforcing shots of Arctic air not only this week, but also into next week. And of course, this weekend could feature a winter storm. Right now, 10 in Columbus, 5 in Chicago. You get the idea that that is the air mass that will settle in here for tonight. So we'll settle into the teens with those wind chills in the single digits. And again, the mountains will be sub-zero for wind chills in the morning. So first alert weather day here for Tuesday because of that frigid start in the morning and those bitter wind chills. Thursday will be the mildest day of the week as temperatures climb into the 50s ahead of the next Arctic boundary. That'll send temperatures falling on Friday, and we will certainly continue to monitor the latest on this weekend and the threat for a winter storm.
It's going to be frigid.
And the Blue Ridge Area Food Bank